The outer ring is your vice's base. It's made of cast iron. It has holes in it so it can be mounted to a workbench or a service truck. There are teeth on the underside of the ring that work with the locking pads to lock the vise in place so it can't rotate. The outer ring can be cracked. This is more likely if it is bolted to a surface that isn't flat. The teeth can also wear out so the vise can't be securely locked in place. Replacing the outer ring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the two locking handles and separating the top half of the vise from the base. Now I can swap the old base for the new. Now I can reassemble the two halves of the vise. And to do this, I'm going to turn the vise upside down. First, I'll align the base with the shoulder on the vise. Next, the locking pad and bolt assemblies. And again, the teeth should mesh with the teeth on the base. And now I'll begin to reinstall the locking handles. Once the handles are tight, I can go ahead and flip the vise back over. And that's how you can install a new outer ring on your vise.